And there's a critter.
That's awesome.
A little deer.
Well, Mom will leave them here during the daytime and come back and get them at night.
Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. And today I'm in the High Knob area. Gonna do the High Knob Trail with my buddies from Two Bobs. And there's Michelle. Michelle, answer some questions here. So, the Bobs have never been to High Knob Trail. Gonna take them. It's really, really hot, so we're just trying to do easier stuff, but still get out. So that's the plan. Look at them two beast of trucks right there. And there's Michelle again.
Oh, there you're still
Oh, looky here, Michelle. Michelle discovered a friend hanging out on the trail. Just acting like a stick. I felt a piece of water on my back. I think Bob just spit on me. All right, had an interview with the snake. There's Michelle over there, and all sorts of bluffage. But I think it's time for Bigfoot to go back to his home. Yep. Cool. Little cave. Look at all the salt.
Check you out.
Looks like some sort of altar there where they sacrifice 16-year-olds.
Newly licensed.
Oh, that's cool.
Newly licensed 16-year-old sacrificial altar over here.
Oh wow, look at all these spiders.
Oh, my tag. That's decorated.
You don't like bugs.
Who?
I'll be going in.
Oh, you're gonna miss out. You might as
Pretty good, I figured.
feels really good in here. Just admiring the bluffage.
Let's flip the big old tick off the name.
Look at this one, folks. When I first hiked with him, he was 13 and his voice was squeaky. And now he's almost an adult and he has a car and a job. He's a regional manager at McDonald's. Drives a Lamborghini that his dad bought him. Has like 6 girlfriends. Huh?
The frog that y'all just ignored.
Oh, frog. Bluffage.
Hey, Bob, shimmy up this.
The high knob area. And fine for it. But we're heading down the road and we're going to Hurricane Bluff area.
Michelle, I challenge you to a mud war, a mud wrestling war right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. I'll strip down to my underwear right here, right now. All right, folks. Got a bunch of peanut shells or pistachio shells all over the place. Here's Hurricane Bluff overlook. The beautiful forest. Look at that forest. Whew, man. What a forest. What a forest. Alrighty, folks.
Got good spikes.
Prickly pear cactuses are starting to look good. Huh? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that one does have good spikes. How would you catch that, Shawn?
Yep.
Somebody doesn't believe rattlesnakes exist?
Michelle never gets to see them, so we see them all, you know. Yep. More pretty area. More pretty area. All right, folks. Got Michelle's dream home here.
Heck yeah.
Yep.
This should be the rattlesnakes, right?
We even got a pet deer. That's such an itty bitty deer. We got Bob his new ride, Sweet 16. Sweet 16.
This is a it's a V8 engine.
Yep.
Check it out. That's cool.
Finding all sorts of stuff.
A vigilante.
A vigilante.
Yep. It's a one-seater too. You can't have any passengers. It's
Nope.
perfect for you.
That is wild.
No girlfriends. All right, folks. Back at the truck. The Bobs are wore out. They don't want to see me anymore for a while. And it's pretty hot. It's a hot day. We probably hiked about 4 or 5 miles.
Yeah, mine shows like 4.78, but I
Four.
a little bit late, so probably like right at 5.
Yeah, about right at 5 miles. Pretty good hike. A lot of horse damage. But did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Cool to see.
Neat little things to see. And now we're gonna all enjoy the vehicle air conditioners, and me and Michelle are probably gonna get ice cream and then pizza, because that's how we roll. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you on the trail.
There was a story in 6 minutes last year about huckleberry.